So this is my IPSY GLAM bag for the month of May. Yes, I know I'm a little late at recording it. I did receive it late, so that's why it is late. But yeah, so be free, be true to be you. Of course, the little postcard it always comes with, per usual. And then it came with this nice little lotion from Candy Johnson. It smells amazing. It smells like this candy from when I was younger. I can't really remember the candy, but it smells so good. It's so smooth. So I end up buying like the whole set of this because it's bomb. Yes, super, super bomb. And then of course we have our Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask. And oh my gosh, I'm freaking obsessed. If you guys haven't watched the video, watch it now. It's linked below. I got 3 of these. They're $9. Completely worth it. They're amazing. And then next I got 2 lip liners. So these ones are in Lust and I couldn't catch the other one. But they're super pretty. There's like a red and a pinkish. You guys are gonna see swatches of these pretty ones here. If you guys caught the other name of the other one, put it down below because it went by so fast. But I'll end up looking at it anyways. But yeah, so they're super pretty, super pigmented, very, very creamy. I don't usually use colors like this, but of course I'm gonna try them. And then next I got this add-on brush. It's super, super pretty. My first SMS Glam, I think it's called. I don't remember the name, but I'll link it down below. But it was like $3 for an add-on. Then I got this Glow Tone Up Primer. I have not tried this on my face yet, but I will be trying it out and seeing how it works. The packaging is super pretty though. I'm loving the packaging. So you guys are going to see what it looks like. Just rubbing it in. Super creamy, super pigmented. This is my first voiceover, you guys. Let me know how you think I did. Okay, so next we are coming on to a palette. You guys know I love me some eyeshadow palettes. These are super creamy and pigmented. There's some shimmers. It's a 6-color palette. Ooh, that is so bomb, you guys. Like, you can use that as a highlighter too. Oh my gosh. The pigmentation in this palette, I had to swatch that one twice for you guys. But the pigmentation in this palette is freaking amazing. That first one I swatched was just like, oh my gosh, that's one of my favorites. This one's really pretty too. Like, just look at these colors, you guys. They're super pretty. Like, these are some gorgeous, gorgeous shimmery colors. Again, super pretty for highlights. And this blue, OMG. Okay, like, I think that one was my favorite because that pigmentation was like, wow. It was bomb. Yeah, I gave the extra thumbs up in the okay. Super bomb. But yeah, so that's all I got in this glam bag. Thanks for watching. Enjoy. Bye.